Hey everybody, this baby kitten is very angry. She doesn't want to give a feather to anyone else. She thinks that this a feather is actually a bird, and you know how cats react to the birds. Mitya, so adorable kitten. Please tell me in the comments what do you think about baby cats or kittens, and do you have maybe a cat? Meet. And of course, kittens love to play with anything funny. Mitzi. Probably the wood also have the smell, and this is very interesting for baby cats. And this kitten is playing with the feather all the time. Meet. And they like to play all day, run through all rooms. Meet. Mitza. Meet. This feather from the bird has a smell, of course, and they like to. And some of them are very bored. They don't know what to do, and just they sit on the sun, and that's it. That's it for now, people. Have a great day, people. Bye.